Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be unboxing the newest gift with purchase from Spacenk. It's called the Beauty Discovery Gift, the Good Skin Edit. I know there was a lot of talk about this because not everybody could get their hands on it for whatever reason. I think you had to spend around £60 or £65 to be eligible for it, and you had to use a coupon code. And from what I've seen written online is that if you had used this code in the past, then you wouldn't be eligible for it. However, I did use this code in the past and it did work on my account. So I'm not really sure what was the reason, but you were also able to get it by opening a new account, which to me honestly defeats the purpose. Like, anybody can just open a new account and use a different email address and still get the goodie bag. I honestly don't know what's the logic or the marketing behind putting such a limitation on a gift with purchase, but it's really unfortunate because if you are a loyal customer, you'd like to be able to get your hands on these, and actually you would like to have maybe like priority access to these things rather than not being allowed to use the coupon code. I hope I'm making sense, but anyway, let's go ahead and get into today's unboxing. In order to be eligible for this, I picked up the new release by Rose Inc., the Luminous Tinted Serum. This one right here, I don't know, let me show you what it looks like. I was really intrigued when I saw this because I do own something very similar to this by Chanel, which I love, but that doesn't have a lot of coverage. And I heard, or actually it doesn't have any coverage at all, and I heard that this has a little bit more. So I picked it up, and I picked up two sunscreens by the brand Ultra Sun. I've been really enjoying their sunscreens recently, so I wanted to try more. I picked up this one, which seems to be the most popular, and a travel size of the SPF 30. Alright, the first product in this gift with purchase is a full-size product by the brand The Ordinary. This is their caffeine solution 5% plus EGCG. I have spoken about this in the past in one of the videos. It honestly didn't do much for the area around my eyes, but it's a nice serum to use on the face. However, I do know that people have gotten different results, so it's all going to depend on your needs. But yeah, it's a nice one to get in here. The next product we're getting is by a brand called Van, which is new to me. I've never heard of it before. We are getting the Age Response Compound K Hyaluronic Booster. It comes in this tiny sample size. It's very similar to like the perfume samples. And this is supposed to be like an oil that has hyaluronic acid in it. And we are getting only 1 ml. This is quite a pricey brand. Next up, we have a product by Ren Skincare. We are getting the Perfect Canvas Clean Jelly Oil Cleanser. We are getting 15 ml. This is like a balm cleanser or like a cleansing balm. I have used this in the past. I didn't love it because it did sting my eyes, but it's nice to use on the face. It does break down sunscreen film. Not super effective though around the eyes. Next up, we have a product by the brand Paula's Choice. It is, I think everybody knows this product. It's the 2% BHA liquid exfoliant. This is the travel size. It's 30 ml or 1 fluid ounce. And I know a lot of people use this on a daily basis. I actually purchased this size a while back from Sephora because for whatever reason, Paula's Choice on Spacenk and Cult Beauty doesn't ship to the Middle East. So I just picked up mine from Sephora, but I never got the chance to try it out. Some of the products in this goodie bag are repetitive from the previous one that I unboxed on my video, which I think was released like last month. And the one I have here is one of them. This is an eye mask by the brand 111 Skin. It's the Sub-Zero Depuffing Eye Mask. But you know, eye masks are nice, they're cute. I personally don't mind getting a second one in here. Next up, we have a product by the brand Summer Fridays. It's the Jet Lag Mask. This is again a very popular mask by this brand. I think we received the full size in the Spacenk or Cult Beauty's advent calendar. I can't remember which one, but I think we did receive the full size. Again, didn't try it yet, but hopefully I will get to do that soon. Next up, we have a product by the brand Kora Organics. We are getting the Turmeric Brightening and Exfoliating Mask. We are getting 10 ml We have seen this previously in different goodie bags. Not sure about Spacenk, but definitely in the Cult Beauty goodie bag. Next up, we have a product by the brand Eve Lom. We are getting the Rescue Mask, 15 ml, quite a decent size. This is like a hydrating mask or moisturizing mask. We always get something from Eve Lom in any Spacenk goodie bag. Next up, we have again a repetitive product from their previous gift with purchase. This is the Omarovicsa Vitamin C. This is what it looks like. It is super cute. We are getting 5 ml, so not bad. I mean, because we are not getting a lot, so getting 5 ml on top of another 5 ml would help you try it out for a longer period of time and hopefully see results. Another moisturizing mask in this goodie bag, and it is by Susanne Kaufmann. We are getting 15 ml, and again, this is a product that we see in a lot of goodie bags. Next up, we have a product quite exciting. It is by the brand Dr. Dennis Gross. We are getting the IPL Dark Spot Concentrated Serum. So I think this is a serum that's supposed to fight off any melasma on the skin. We are getting only 7 ml, so not much, but I love a lot of products by this brand, and honestly there's nothing I have tried that it didn't work for me, so I'm always excited when I see a new product in a goodie bag. Next we have a product that a lot of you love. It is the Charlotte Tilbury Magic Cream. I'm honestly not the biggest fan of this cream. I think it's okay, but it's nothing revolutionary. But what I like about this is that it's really tiny, it is great for travel, and yeah, I always find a way to use it up. We are getting specifically 7 ml. Another face cream, but this one I love. It is by Drunk Elephant. We are getting the Protini Polypeptide Cream. This has to be one of the best creams I have ever tried. We are getting only 5 ml, but again, if you love this cream, I think this size is perfect for travel or to just throw in your purse. Next up, we have a cleanser by the brand Goldfaden MD or Goldfaden, I'm not sure how to pronounce it. It is called the Purestar Gentle Exfoliating Facial Cleanser. How much are we getting? We are getting 20 ml, which is not bad. And yeah, again, very cute size and perfect for travel. Another cleanser in here, and this one you see in a lot of goodie bags. It is the Soy Cleanser by Fresh. This is a very gentle cleanser. It doesn't foam at all, maybe a little bit of lather, but nothing foamy, and it does smell like cucumbers. Some people love the scent, others don't. I personally am like neutral to it. I don't love it, but I don't hate it. And also we are getting 20 ml. Next up we have a product by Kiehl's, which is actually one of my favorite brands, and we are getting a product from them that I have never tried, and it is this one right here. It's the Super Multi-Corrective Cream, 7 ml. So again, I think this is supposed to brighten and give you some radiance, and I did see that it has great reviews. Excited to try this one. 3 more products to go. The next one is by Dr. Jart. We are getting the Zika Pear Tiger Grass Color Correcting Treatment. I think this is a face moisturizer that is supposed to be, it has like a greenish tint to it. Nothing that's going to stain your face, but I think this will counteract the redness. So if you're somebody suffering from super sensitive skin, or if you have rosacea, I think this would be really nice, but because it kind of neutralizes the redness in your skin. And I know it has great reviews and a lot of people love it. Another product that is repetitive from their previous gift with purchase, it is the Biossance Squalane and Omega Repair Cream. I haven't gotten the chance to try this. I am yet to be like wowed by any product from Biossance. The only one that I have tried and really liked is the sunscreen, but yeah, excited to try this. Good to have another one. We are getting 15 ml, so 15 ml here and 15 ml in the previous one. That would be an ounce, which is a great size to try out a product. The final product in this goodie bag, and honestly, I think this one is quite gimmicky, but I don't know, I could be wrong. It is by the brand Chapman. We are getting the Kinesis the Facelift, this tool right here. We did get this previously in one of Cult Beauty's goodie bags. I don't know, you guys, let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Do you ever use these things? Like, do you ever get any results from using them if you happen to use them? I just find them to be gimmicky, and honestly they don't do much. That is just in my opinion. I have never actually used one long enough to see any benefits, but Let me show you what it looks like. This is what it looks like. And I don't know really how you're supposed to use this. Maybe like this. I have makeup on my face right now. I'm not gonna attempt to do it, but yeah. I have seen, I think, a video about this on YouTube long time ago. And honestly, I don't know. This is supposed to tone your jawline. I'm not sure. I know I will never use this. I would probably give it to somebody who would, or just get rid of it, because honestly I don't use things like this. And they are usually super pricey. I would rather spend that much money on an actual like facial at the derm office or some other treatment that is definitely more effective and requires less work from my side. It says here on this leaflet that this costs $39 or 32 pounds, which is very pricey for a plastic thing. And it says here, use this at-home facial tool to oxygenate skin and drain away toxins to enhance natural radiance and contour the face. So really this is, I don't know, to me it's very gimmicky. I would love to know your thoughts though down below. That was the final product of this goodie bag. It is a nice one. Is it amazing? No, but it does have some nice products in here. Some that are repetitive, but yeah, it's better than nothing. Of course, you are getting it for free at the end of the day. I just wish they would just make it available to everybody. I honestly do not understand what they are doing. I just hope they reconsider their decisions, because I know this is not the first time. I know they had something similar to this back in the day, and it happened to me and it didn't work on my account. And I ended up not getting it, but yeah. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any thoughts about this, leave them down below. I would love to hear what you want to say. If you haven't subscribed already, consider subscribing, and I shall see you in my next one. Bye.